The wonderful world of genetics. Imagine you are a detective trying to solve a mystery. What if I told you there's a hidden code in every living thing that decides how it looks and behaves? Wouldn't that be exciting? Well, that's what genetics is all about. Many years ago, people wondered why some members of families looked alike. Why did children often have the same hair or eye color as their parents? The answer lies in genetics, the study of how traits are passed from parents to their offspring. The master code, DNA. At the heart of genetics is something called DNA. Let's imagine DNA as a giant cookbook. This cookbook has all the recipes that decide how every part of your body is made. DNA is written with a special alphabet containing just 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. These letters come together in millions of combinations to tell the cells in our body what to do, kind of like how different recipes tell chefs how to cook yummy dishes. Genes, the instructions inside DNA. Inside the DNA cookbook, there are genes. Genes are like individual recipes that give specific instructions. For example, one gene might tell your body what color your eyes should be, while another might tell it how tall you will grow. Just as a recipe might say to use flour and sugar for a cake, genes might tell your body to produce special proteins that make your hair curly or your skin brown. Hereditary heroes Mendel's discoveries. A long time ago, a scientist named Gregor Mendel did some fascinating experiments with pea plants. He noticed that certain traits, like flower color, were passed down from one generation to the next. Curious, he started mixing different colors of pea plants and discovered patterns in how traits were inherited. Mendel's work laid the foundation for the field of genetics and earned him the title, the father of genetics. Why we look different yet alike. Although you might share many traits with your parents or your siblings, you are also unique. That's because of something called genetic variation. Even while sharing a family recipe, there's room for a bit of improvisation, resulting in new, delicious flavors. Similarly, genetic variations make sure every person on Earth is a little different, leading to the amazing diversity of life. The fun side of genetics, mutations. Sometimes, tiny changes or mutations happen in the DNA, like accidentally adding too much salt to a recipe. Most of the time, these changes are harmless, or even help you adapt better to your environment. Eye colors, body stature, and interesting traits could be the result of such mutations. Curious Minds Genetics of the Future. As we learn more about genetics, many new possibilities open up. Scientists are exploring ways to cure diseases, create plants that can survive in dry places, and even grow organs to save lives. Who knows, maybe one day one of you eager young scientists will make the next groundbreaking discovery in genetics. So the next time you wonder why you have a dimple on your cheek like your aunt, or are just as tall as your grandpa, remember, deep inside you, there's a fascinating genetic story at play, just waiting to be discovered. Isn't that amazing?